Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, I am Zurah from Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Sciences, University Technology Mara, UiTM Campus JASIN MELAKA. Motorcycle Workshop Inventory Management System with Digital Feedback was developed by my student AMIR with my supervision. Motorcycle Workshop Inventory Management System with Digital Feedback is an innovative idea for motorcycle workshop. We came out this idea after we conducted an interview at a motorcycle workshop, where we discovered managing inventory, tracing customer and service records, and gathering feedbacks and reviews from customers are all difficult when it is handled manually. Hence, in order to solve the problem, the system was developed using waterfall model. By using this system, we hope that the inventory management of motorcycle workshop can ensure the availability of necessary parts, optimize stock levels, and enhances overall operational efficiency. So now, let's take a look at the system demonstration.
Welcome to the Motorcycle Workshop Inventory Management System with Digital Feedback. We'll begin by logging in as the admin. The user needs to enter their username and password. Upon successful login, the user is directed to the dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview, including total number of products, low stock products, total feedback received, average service quality, average customer service rating, average overall satisfaction, a graphical representation of product quantities. Next, we have the feedback page. This page displays all customer feedback submitted through the system. Moving on to the product page, where you can see a list of all products. This page also allows you to add new brands and categories. Here is the customer service records page. This section enables the admin to manage and organize all customer records. This is the profile page, where the admin can update their profile or delete their account if needed. Lastly, we have the admin management page. This is where you can add additional admins to the system.
This interface shows that the motorcycle workshop inventory management system with digital feedback demonstrate the significant strength. We can see here the customer feedback, customer service record, low stock reminder can be displayed from the system. As conclusion, by automating data collection, storage, and analysis, the system minimizes human error and ensures data consistency. Not only staff and admin can easily access to the system, but it is useful to the customer also. With that, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.